Welcome to my first video on my channel. Here in the spirit of that Canadian fella AVE in a Big Clive over there in Scotland or UK. I take stuff apart and try to fix them, and so they can make videos on it and see how it works. I figured, well, I could give it a shot too. So not trying to steal their thunder, just thought I'd throw my 2 cents in there. So I've got this Portercable. It's a random orbital sander, and for whatever reason the stupid thing surges when I try to sand with it, and it just pulses off and on. So thought I would take it apart, take a look and see what's going on with it. And first we got this dust cap. I don't know, it's all plastic. How it's going to catch dust if there's nowhere for air to get out. But we'll get that off there. Put that off to the side. And we'll get into here. Double insulated, no ground plug. And I don't know, she's an older tool, not real old, but I didn't get her new either. It was given to me used. It's like 18 American wire gauge. I can't see any other name brands or anything on there, so probably just a generic cable. Torx and flat blade. Is this blade too wide? Flip it around. Come on. Let's see what it looks like in here. Gotta love cheap tools. Gotta love the cheaper tools even. Maybe that'll T10. Nope. 15. Alright. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe. There we go. Alright. Now, I don't do this for a living. I'm not even a tradesman. I just do hobby stuff around the house. Stuff like that. So, it's not even marked what kind of plastic it is. Nope. Do not remove with this housing removed. And all because we can't take care of ourselves. Let's take this off here. And I don't know what we used to do before the government had to tell us what we can and can't do. Alright, take that off. Uh-oh. Nope. Still attached. There we go. I don't know what that goes to. No clue. No clue. Boy, she is caked on in there. Look at that. Like whoever used this before I got a hold of it used it to do sheetrock. Looks like. How does that come out? case off here. Looks like it's... Come on. Can't do everything easy, can they? Oh, they got a little rubber seal on her. See if I can get in there and get that. I apologize for taking so long here. A few more screws. Got these little things hidden everywhere. And this is a Portercable quicksand. Oscillating rotary sander. Supposed to be pretty good, but like I said, ever since I got it, no worky. Come on. There we go. Well, look, as AVE always says, so the NSA is tracking us right there. I don't know why they put them in the actual tool itself. So he's cleaned up a little bit here. Fix the dampeners. A little red dampener in there. And let's take a look at it here. Well, looks like the brushes are just pinned in there. Not that. Spring holding me in the commutator. Yeah, there's not much left of the brush. Probably enough there for what I would need the rest of my life, but yeah. And of course, you know, cheapest way to do it, spade connectors. I hate crimped on stuff. Solder is the only way to go. I'll leave that out of there. See, let's see if we can switch out. Switch. So a rocker switch. Label on, off. Can't read. Made in Mexico. Oh. Windings are held in place by the plastic. I'd rather it be bolted down so I ain't gonna move. But looking at the commutator, it looks like they've epoxied it, but that epoxy's downright cracked. You can see right there. Just big old crack in that epoxy. Oh, they didn't balance it by grinding it or nothing. Rubber seal on the bearing there. Little 608 skate bearing, made in China. Well, this side is made in Taiwan, and it's a 5202 LU. I have no idea what those numbers mean. I know they're related to the size and diameter of everything, but I don't know if it's supposed to do that. That doesn't seem good. And oh, heck, that bearing's shot right there. It won't even hardly spin at all. It's all caked up with gunk. I wonder it's pulsating. And then there's your counterweight. That's what causes it to oscillate when it's spinning. So this spins really fast, and then your little sanding disc thing there just kind of moves along, and then the counterweight kind of causes it to go out of all cattywampus on you and vibrate all over the place. Yeah, that's too bad that bearing's shot. I don't know if I can get to it. I'll have to get off camera here. I'll take a look, see if I can't get it apart here a little bit. And on top of it, looks like, you know, seeing a little water. Little red rust going on there. Very, very small windings. Very small. God, there's nothing to it. Wire comes in. One side goes to one brush, the other side goes to a switch. Then the switch goes down to the windings. And then through another brush. Well, you can go off camera here real quick, get this sucker all cleaned up, and come back and put it back together. See if she works. Be right back. Well, welcome back. I found out it does come apart. It's just a Allen key. And look at that sucker. It's just chock full of sheetrock dust. And it is all bound up. She is tight. So need to finish getting her all cleaned up. I mean, shoot, she's all packed in. You know, this bearing though is not too bad. It's got some time left on her. So let me finish cleaning this up a little more and we'll be right back. Well, welcome back. To look like to get this bearing off, there's like a little serve clip in there. And of course, the SOP don't want to come off. Of course, I can't find all my tools to take those things out when, you know, when you want them or when you need them. They're never around. Well, probably gonna end up ruining it. Which, you know, wouldn't be the first time. Just makes the dang thing more expensive to fix. Right screwdriver here. Oh, this one won't work either. Where's that other part at? Well, I'm going to stick it in my vise over here and beat on it some, so I'll be right back. Alright, got her loose. Take the screw out. So what size battery is this one? 629 RS. Boy, she is all goofed up. Let's see if we can get inside the bearing here. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff there. Look at all that. Oh, crusty stuff in there. I mean, other than that, you know. Oh, I'll have to find a 629. $629 RS. So, looks like she's not going completely to get back together today. So, I will, like EBE says, leave it here on the healing bench till I can get the part to fix her. Now, wait a minute. Let's see here. Still need to clean this up. Oh yeah, no, I can't. I gotta get that part first. See, there's that C-clip. I have no idea what it's there for. Maybe just to stop the bearing from going all the way down. Alright, welcome back, guys. We've got the Portercable quicksand here. Still working on it. Hey, just got the bearing in to replace this old stuck bearing here. See how bad that is. She's all seized up. It was black in there. Cleaned it out to see if maybe I could unstick it, but no, we got a new bearing. Feels real good and spins real good. Brand new Hitachi bearing. Just need to get it pressed back on here, so I'll go ahead and do that and be right back. Alright, and the bearing's pressed on now. This one down here sits perfectly. Stator spins good, doesn't rub on anything, so let's go ahead and get her put back together. Alright, we got the cases together. Let's go ahead and drive the screws in. Alright, let's see if she powers on and runs. That's her running. Doesn't sound right, but it's not all back together yet either, so. Whoops. We found out what this is. This is to balance the oscillation out. I don't know how or why it works, but that's where it's supposed to go, so. Alright, let's try it again. seems to work pretty good. Thank you for watching. Again, remember, comment down below. Any questions, concerns, feel free to criticize me. This is, like I said, my first video. Again, check out AVE. He makes great videos. And he's just got so many there, I don't think I've seen them all. And check out Big Clive. Great electronic teardown videos. We'll try to do some of those as well. But again, I'm still not going to be as smart as those guys. So, also check out my Patreon if you want to help me out. We got, you know, if you put in a certain amount of money, you can either get it into the used tool giveaway, and I'll go to get used tools, tear them apart, see how they work, make sure they're running properly, replace any bearings, you know, like that, that need to be done. And heck, I'll give them away. The 10th person that subscribes to my Patreon is actually going to get this sander right here, shipped to them free of charge. So be sure to hit my Patreon up and hit that subscribe button, and bell might get you know when more videos are available. Thank you for watching.